which if you've owned a TFSI, you know about these housings. They tend to leak, unfortunately. Hi, I'm Luke, technician at Fontain. Just thought we'd take a moment now that we've got the thermostat housing, infamous thermostat housing on these 2 litre TFSIs, which if you've owned a TFSI, you know about these housings. They tend to leak, unfortunately, quite commonly, and it's quite an involved job to do. We've actually got it opened here because we're doing some head work on this engine. You can see where it is down on the block here. This entire unit here would normally be covered by a cylinder head here and an inlet manifold. They're common to leak, and they tend, because they're plastic and they're bolted directly to a cylinder block, it gets hot and cold, and the plastic will tend to warp under those conditions, or you will get brittle oil seals, and they'll tend to crack and split, and you'll get a leakage. We have actually had a case. A car came to us for a non-start, and what it turned out to be was an internal leak in the thermostat housing, and it was finding its way into the throttle, the motor of the unit, into the wiring, and was actually shorting the 5-volt reference from the ECU, and caused a non-start issue. So that was quite an interesting failure, but very common. Keep an eye on your coolant level. If you do get any warning lights, stop driving, get it into the local Fontain branch. We can go through it, have a look for you, and if indeed it is something like the thermostat housing, we can undertake that work and get it done and get your car back on the road.